Are we recording? Hindi ko alam. Hi homies! Welcome back to Property TV. We're so excited to bring you a brand new home tour, and for today we are bringing you south of the metro here at Lancaster New City in Cavite. We are currently in their experience center where you will find all of the model houses for the homes that you can purchase here at Lancaster New City. So for today, we're looking at the Brianna model unit, and the home that we are looking at for this episode is the dressed up unit. So of course, the home that you will be purchasing, if ever you do decide to purchase a home here, will be a bare unit. However, we do hope that this dressed up unit will give you an idea of what your home could look like if you do decide to live here at Lancaster New City. With the Brianna unit, you'll be getting a floor area of 110 square meters, while the lot area is 100 square meters. So that's a lot of space for you and your family. The Brianna unit has 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths. Now, as you can see, we are at the outside. So let's first look at what you can see upon arriving at your Brianna home. So you can see where I'm standing at right now. This is actually your provision for a 2-car garage. Yes, it's enough space to fit two cars basically. Let's now check out the inside of the home through our front door. Let's go. Right, so we are now inside of the Brianna model unit. So ito na yung loob ng first floor natin, and as you can see, you've got an open floor layout, and upon entering your home, ang una mong makikita is the space for your living room. So right here, as you can see, they've decorated the model unit with a beautiful couch, very comfortable. So imagine if you're coming home from a long day of work, the moment you walk into the door, you already have a place to relax. So you can actually just relax here and chill after a long day. Moving on to your dining area. So again, it's an open floor layout, which is perfect again for entertaining guests and really keeping an open atmosphere in your home. So you got enough space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a 6-seater. So another thing I want to show you guys is how the homes actually come with a glass sliding door by the dining area, which is perfect because you can turn it into an outdoor. You can access the outdoor area through this entrance. Alright, so there it is. Ayan pala yung bukasan niya. And from this sliding door, you can actually access this lawn area or additional outdoor area, which leads right into your carport. So, moving on to your kitchen. Now again, this is a very spacious kitchen. Like, I can spread my arms out open wide. So if you're the kind of person who likes to cook, this is just the perfect space for you. So now you can see there is a counter. It does not come with the delivered unit, like if you purchase a home here. However, you can have it added if you want to. So for this model unit, they decided to add this beautiful counter to add more elegance into the home. It also serves as some sort of divider between the living room and dining room, as well as extra seating space. So as you can see, we've got chairs here. So kung madami kang bisita, no problem with the chairs at all or the seats. Okay, so this is your beautiful, beautiful kitchen. And right next to the kitchen, let's check out the service area. Actually, this is just the door to the service area. You can turn it into your dirty kitchen, laundry area, or basically just an area where you can do the dirty work. You know, if you have maintenance work and all that, that's where you can do it. So over here, you will see that they have a little powder room here. Now, I know what you're thinking. How come there are no doors? Don't worry, in the actual unit that you will be purchasing, there will be doors. Don't worry about that. Okay, so yes, again, this is a powder room, which is great because if you do have guests, or if, let's say, you're hanging out here at the first floor, then no need for you to head up to the second floor to use the bathroom. You've got one right here. Very convenient. So this is the first bedroom that we will be looking at in this home. So remember, with the Brianna house model, you are getting 4 bedrooms, and this is the first one found on the first floor. Now, you'll see that this room, they turned it into a bedroom. However, it's up to you how you want to use it. You can actually turn it into an office. I can imagine it being that kind of space. But the thing is, if let's say you live with elderly family members like lolo or lola, or people with injuries who can't, people who just have a hard time going up the stairs, this would be a perfect room for them actually. So yeah, again, perfect for families with extended family members. Just well thought of design. That's what I think about this home. All right, so that's the first bedroom that we're looking at. Now, akit tayo sa second floor where we will find 3 of the other bedrooms as well as some beautiful common areas for you and your family. So this is the staircase. Let's go. All right, so heading up to the second floor now. Now let's check out the second bedroom that we're gonna be looking at in this home. Okay, so this is perhaps my favorite room in the home because of these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows, which just make the room look so grand. It looks so elegant, and it brings in a lot of natural light. Now, I'm the kind of person who likes having a lot of natural light in the room, so I really appreciate that. All right, so let's move on to this area right here. So, as you can see, there is a hole, but don't worry, again, if you do actually get a home here, it does not come with this hole. It's just for the purpose of the model house. But it does lead right next door where you will find the family room. Or actually, it's just an open space. It's a common area which you can turn into whatever you want it to be. It's just that for this model unit, ginawa nilang family room, yung space. Now, you can actually turn it into, if you decide to have your office here instead of downstairs, you can do that. It can also be a gym, so it's up to you. And aside from the fact that there's a lot of space here, one thing that I actually love about this area is it leads to your balcony, which is right here. Right from your family room, you're actually led into your balcony. So for the turnover unit actually already comes with sliding doors as well. Yeah, I believe this was added in, but it does create a very beautiful like atmosphere. Parang it's almost like you're already outdoors just by standing here. You know what I noticed about this house? It's actually really perfect for entertaining guests. You get so much space and just so much potential and so many possibilities of what you can do. All right, so let's say you did have guests over, you're having drinks outside or maybe over here, and people need to use the bathroom. So don't worry, because there is one just right next door, over here. So this is your second floor bathroom. So if you purchase a home here, the Brianna unit already comes with the sink, the toilet, and the shower area. So for this model home, you can see they decided to go with this simple glass partition. So it still goes with the elegant vibe of the whole home. Let's go check out our third bedroom of the home. It's over here. So yes, as you can see, enough space for me to comfortably plop onto the bed. So you've got enough space for a table, some shelves here, and this stylish cabinet. So it could be a great space for your children. If you have a son or a daughter, they can actually do their online classes over here. They don't need a ring light anymore because they've got natural light from the windows. So yeah, again, big windows which let in a lot of natural light and make a room look elegant. So perfect for like students or your kids, you know, so they get their own space and their own privacy if they do decide to stay in this room. Alright, so that's the third bedroom in the Brianna unit and the second one that we have looked at on the second floor. Let's now move on to our last but definitely not the least bedroom in the Brianna unit, which is our master bedroom. Okay, so come on in. As you can see, it is the largest room in the house. It's enough to fit this queen-size bed and enough space for you to actually have everything that you would need, pretty much. You have your closet over here, and I love how they did it. Actually, it's so beautifully done. You don't need to buy an extra mirror anymore because it already comes with one. So yeah, this can be your closet. Over here, again, you get the big windows. It's a common theme in this house to have like beautiful windows that really allow in natural light. All right, and on to the other end of the bedroom. So this is right across the closet that I showed you earlier. They turned it into a little study area. So as you can see, there is a table, some cabinets rather. Of course, you can turn it into like put shelves in here. Or if you have a little too much clothes, maybe you can put another cabinet over here. Right, so in your master's bedroom, you actually get your own toilet and bath. And it's right here. So let's check it out. Here is your toilet and bath inside the master's bedroom. So of course, you can see that they put an enclosure here. However, in the actual unit that you will be purchasing, it's an open shower area. But of course, you can deck it out and put your own enclosure there as well. And of course, your home will already come with the fixtures such as your sink, your shower, your faucet over there, as well as your toilet.
Designed and developed by pro friends, Lancaster New City is the realization of an ideal Philippine residential neighborhood. It brings within reach everything the average Filipino household needs, from a place of worship to children's schools, employment opportunities, retail shops, and more. A peaceful and orderly community where families could live in comfort, away from the stress, noise, and heavy traffic of Metro Manila. And yet it is still strategically located so that you can easily access the metro through major thoroughfares like SLEX and Cavite. Mall of Asia in Pasay is actually just a 40-minute drive away.
And there you have it, guys. Our exclusive tour in the Brianna model unit here at Lancaster New City. So if you like that, you enjoyed that home tour, please go ahead and call us. So again, with the Brianna model house or model unit, you get 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths, and of course a lot of common areas or common space for you and your family to enjoy. You get the balcony, the living room, the dining area, the kitchen, just enough space for you to really bond and enjoy your cozy home. All right, guys, so again, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this home or you want to get started on looking at houses here at Lancaster New City, please go ahead and call us so that one of our Ohmyhome agents can get in touch with you. And if you do decide to purchase a home through us, you can also avail of our loan assistance programs. So let us do the work for you. If you want to know more about how you can get your loan approved through us, go ahead and check out our video on how to finance your home. We'll link it somewhere in this video and in the comments below. So again, thank you so much, guys. We do look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you next time.